Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. This is Running for Singers. How to use the specificity principle. So what is the specificity principle? It's actually quite simple. If we train a certain body part, skill, or component, that said body part, skill, or component will adapt. So how am I using the specificity principle to condition myself for singing? First thing is, I'm running in the heat. When you run in the heat, it actually elevates your heart rate, therefore making you more out of breath, making it harder to sing. So that way my body needs to adapt and get better at singing while I'm out of breath. And on top of that, I'm gonna run up a big hill. What does running up a big hill do? Makes you even more tired, out of breath, winded. And that's exactly what I'm looking for.
The skill or component that I'm trying to work on is learning how to calm my body down while it's in an elevated state. Because that's exactly what happens while you're on stage. Your adrenaline is going, your heart starts pumping faster, and you need to learn how to stay in control.
I don't want this night to end. It's closing time, so leave with me again. You got all my love to spend. Let's find a place where happiness begins. We're gonna dance in my living room, slip to the way you move, hurts when I leave you. Just dance in my living room, love with an attitude, drunk to an 80s groove. Gonna dance in my living room, slip to the way you move, hurts when I leave you. Dance in my living room, love with an attitude, drunk. So what are some other ways that you might use the specificity principle? Let's say you wanted to have bigger biceps. That means that you would want to do major bicep curls and train that muscle specifically. In the case of a basketball player, you might want to do some cross training that promotes endurance, maybe get into some distance running, also do some power work with your legs so you can get better at jumping and sprinting. A golfer, on the other hand, wouldn't want to do long distance running, but they would want to do light cardio as well as movements that help generate power from the core, twisting. All right, so just a recap for the video. I'm using the specificity principle to help condition my body for singing. I'm running outside in the heat, so that way I can help elevate my heart rate to help create stimulus for my body so that it has to adapt and recover. Help support my channel by subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment. This is Mini Movement Man saying, peace. What a man gotta do, what a man gotta do to be totally locked up by you. What a man gotta say, what a man gotta pray to be your last good night and your first good day.